I want to talk to you guys about a phrase I recently heard in a song that was released very recently called NYT by Benjamin, who's a Finnish artist. So in that song, this phrase is repeated quite a lot and it just gave me the idea to make this video. So the phrase is NYT nyt. NYT nyt. So they're spelling out the word nyt, which you might know means now. Now in Finnish, nyt, nyt, nyt. For example, you could say nyt se alkaa, now it starts. You could say mennään nyt, let's go now. Ostetaan se nyt, let's buy it now. So yeah, nyt means now, nyt. And so this phrase, when you're spelling out this word, so NYT nyt, it translates to ready, set, go in English. So for example, when you're kids, you use this a lot if you're playing a racing game or something, or if you're preparing some kind of competition and you're getting everyone to leave at the same time or race each other, you would use NYT nyt to, count down to when you start something. So yeah, literally the same as ready, set, go in English. So the literal translation would be like kind of similar to NOW, now. So yeah, it was kind of funny because I actually also heard this phrase being used when I was doing some research about the Rasmus. They have, to my knowledge, one Finnish song called Rakkauslaulu, which translates to love song. And in the beginning, they're kind of talking amongst each other, and you can hear them go like, oh, NYT nyt. So they're trying to like start the song at the same time together as a band, I think. So I heard it there as well, and I was like, wow, I'll just slip that into this video too. So yeah, as a wrap-up conclusion, in Finnish, if you want to say ready, set, go to kind of count down to starting something together, you would use NYT nyt. And then when you say nyt is when you start the whatever it is you're doing. NYT nyt. And you're just spelling out the word nyt, which means now. NYT nyt. Alright, and I guess that just about concludes this video, so let's end this video NYT nyt.